Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, before I show you the rewards for today's Sneak Quest, I want to take you over here to a YouTuber, JKillXRP. If you want to see somebody who's really enjoying and doing different things with their VV collectibles and a lot of other collectibles from other sites, go to his site and watch. Um, I'm going to play this just for a second, just a couple minutes of it or a few seconds. And this is the kind of stuff he's doing. And he's got music going to it. I don't think you can hear it, but that is so cool. Anyway, go check it out. You will love it. He's got a lot of videos, it's all musical and just enjoying the collectibles. Unlike a lot of us who just kind of, they just sit there. We don't do anything with them yet. So today's quest was Sneak. And I think this has been the quest for like the past 4 days, which I don't mind because I love Sneak. I have a lot of Sneak. I am gold 2, just over. That's with rentals, not naturally. Naturally, I'm at like 130,000, 135, or no, 143 to be honest. And I also did not have to rent any cards. I was able to use yesterday's cards also. So that really saved me a lot of DEC. Uh-oh. A gold. Awesome. Love the gold. And an epic. Oh, good pull. Another good pull. Wow. Nice pull today. 23 dark energy and all cards. That's a nice. I've almost got him maxed out. And I've got several of these maxed out. I've got gold and regular and him maxed out. I got 4 of these. Excuse me. I got a rat maxed out. And I got all these maxed out pretty much. Awesome. Good pull today. Okay. So 2024 in the DEC. Let's go look at my numbers. And real fast. Yep, out of that said the DEC has gone up as they started taking away starter cards rewards. So bots who use starter cards are now not taken from the reward pool, and it's going to people who own the cards. Yeah, and I thought they had adjusted because yesterday I was getting like 5 and 6 DEC, but then today I've been getting 15. So what's behind it? I think what he said's correct. But I think there's more too. I don't know. I just like the high DC awards. I hope they say that way, but the bots definitely make sense. I was going to show you my numbers. This is not financial advice. Listen to me on risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join any of the links below. Splinterlands to 10,000 is not sponsored by Splinterlands in any way, shape, or form. It's just something I'm doing on my own. Today's the 29th of May. Here's the rules I go by. Day 146, I believe. Every other day I'm putting in $10. And so today I will put in 10 for tomorrow. That way I get that free extra SPS. And started videotaping on the 7th. Here's my numbers. I'll go real slow. You can pause it and we'll go to the latest numbers. And my goal is to get to $10,000 asset value by the beginning of next year. So as of today, it was 1,022. So I'm about 10% of the way there. Now, remember, I said asset value, not profit. But I think I can do profit also. But asset value would be nice. And of course, if I put in $10,000, I would have a $10,000 asset value probably. Unless I put it in 2 months ago, then I have a $3,000 asset value. But yeah, I'm I'm doing the dollar cost averaging $10 because that's what my budget could afford. I'm glad I'm doing that because the prices are so low, and I'm about to go back to packs. But anyway, so 1,022, 157, 552.39 in the box for the cards, 145,270 power, new record. Every day's been a record lately since I changed over to renting cards, not just renting them out. 92 SPS. Now, this is kind of a disappointment because they just burnt a whole bunch of SPS. And for some reason, SPS has gone the opposite direction, which is usually what crypto does. Crypto seems to do exactly the opposite of what you think it's going to do. Excuse me. So maybe down the next week or so, it's going to kick in. But all the money, like 80% of every SPS spent on the nodes, which is in the millions, has been burnt. So my total profit today is 260, 2001 DEC. That number's been doing nothing but going up. I started renting right about here, started accumulating DEC, and now I rent just enough to get by. Then I'm accumulating DEC on top of that, and which also does what? Helps me collect extra DEC or SPS. So if I paid myself back, sold everything, paid myself back, I'd walk away before taxes with $260. Not bad as everything is. Okay, so let's go look at the cards that I'm renting, and I'll call it. I gotta go, so it's gonna be a short video today. These are the S cards. These were the ones that were causing so much problems because the bots would use these to suck all the DEC out of the pool. Okay, so what they did was they penalized it if you use these, which means it's somehow affecting the bots where they can't or don't want to use it or can't. And to rent it to me. Okay, I just lost two, but I rented these yesterday. They were the same three. So this will be gone in a few seconds because I got them all three at the same time and rented out. I have nothing rented out. So let's go see what my natural. Yeah, see, I'm out. I'm down to 148. I'm going to lose another 5,000 when he goes. So I'm at 143. And I'd like to end up in Gold 2 for season ending rewards. So when I rent out tomorrow, I need to rent out late enough so that they stick around. So I'll have to rent out after 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow to make it so that I can stay in Gold 2. I can't stay in Gold 2 naturally. I got to rent. But that'd be worth it because I'm going to get an extra 3 chests, I think. 2 to 3 chests. Okay. What else? What else? Let's go check out the shop real quick, and then that's it. Let's see if the packs are starting to pick up a little bit. They've sold about 100,000 this week, which that's not a lot compared to the way it was going. But I'm up to 4.327 vouchers, but that's it. Okay, listen, like and subscribe, please, and join any of the links below. It really helps me out. I do a video every day, so come check out my rewards and come check out my numbers. If you got any questions or answers, leave them on the comment section, and have a nice day.